Hi, this is Noah from Screen Print Exchange, a classified forum so you can post your screen printing equipment online. I also do repairs. So I've been looking for a specialty item to remove these snap rings, the impossible one. It's a bronze bushing that has a cutout and a snap ring that acts like an internal and an external one. So I've been buying a lot of different ones to see if I can get one to work. And what I really need are miniature ones. 1 second. Like these. But in the previous video, I tried using them, and these WLXYs don't hold up. The metal is not hardened, so they bend and break easily. And I already did it, so they're going back. So these IEUSEW, it's probably IEUSEW, I guess from Asia. They're kind of nice looking, but the problem is they look like it's much better steel, but the pins are not small enough. I could grind them down, but I'm not going to do that. I paid for them. They should be what they are supposed to be, and they're not. So they have a very heavy spring, which is nice in some ways, and a nice carrying case. I don't know if I'll be able to get back in. So, yeah, I wanted these to work. Look how slim they are. So, please advise me of like a miniature snap ring that has hardened pins, and I'll buy them. I don't want to spend $60, $70 a tool for them, though, is the problem. So, let me know. Look how thin the profile is, which is nice. And the pins are pretty good. I thought these would be small enough. They just are a little bit too big. I noticed on some of the better brands, these are bent a little bit that way, so it would good underneath and then keep within it, within the snap ring. But these are just straight. And that would be helpful for these because this is like an inner and outer snap ring. So the way that these are set up. So anyhow, these are going back. I might keep them if they were, if I had other uses for them, but it's just, these are not them yet. So these are all, hey, they're not great, but they're not bad either. Maybe I'll put the link on it from Amazon. We'll do a couple more videos. I'll buy a better brand next time. Thank you. Keep on watching and and follow the channel. I'm really trying on this, but it seems like a fail. Thank you. Bye.